get paid, little shorty get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in the...
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to AemikArt for another art video slash vlog video. This is actually my first time doing something like this. The other day somebody asked me to make a tutorial video on how to create and draw using grid lines, so I thought it'd be pretty cool to just make it in a vlog slash tutorial style. And of course, if this is your first time here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bells up so you can know when I upload some more cool art videos. And don't go away. All right, welcome back. As you can see in this one, I'm just gonna start by telling you the basic importance of using grid lines. It helps your drawing as accurate as possible, and I feel it also saves a lot of time when you're doing some major drawings, because you tend to erase a lot less when you're using the grid lines, because it's pretty much all about connecting dots. Obviously, you're gonna use the same measurement of grid line on your reference photo. That's the same measurements on your drawing paper. You always want to do that, so that way you're pretty much just replicating what you're seeing on your reference photo. For this drawing, I decided to use the 4x4 just so I can save a lot of time. I didn't want to spend a lot of time sketching. And if you ask me, will I do this again? I would say no. I actually prefer spending a lot of time creating the grid lines, because then I draw faster. That's it for this tutorial slash vlog video. If this is your first time here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bells up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.